Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Today's tarot deck that I'm going to be doing the reveal on is called the Akashic Tarot, and it is by Sharon and Klingler and Sandra and Taylor. I hope I said your names right. And I'm always curious about Akashic Records, so I can't wait to see how they did it. Again, opening it up, and I just noticed it's actually a Hay House tarot deck. So let's just see. I love my little tool that I have to open up the tarot decks. It's so handy, I tell you. So there we go. This is what it looks like on the back, and you just open it up like that. And here we go. We have our booklet. So let me see. Oh, it's a nice thick booklet. I will say that. Usually they're not this thick. So let's see. So it gives you a little explanation about introduction to the Akashic world. And let's see about this card deck, the history of tarot, and how this tarot deck is unique. So they've got a lot of information in here. So let me see if I can find where the cards are. So they have the card pulls in there. So the three card spread. I love the three card spread. It's easy. Then they have different types of spreads in here. That's interesting. Um, let's go. The major arcana. Oh, okay. So it says the major arcana and then the Oracle of Delphi upright. So it has what it means upright. So I think they've changed the names of the cards. We'll soon see when we start going through the cards. So it has the meaning of what it is upright. And then when you flip it over, it has the reverse. Then it has a special note right up there, and then Akashic Force. And let me see, where else do we go? Oh, and then it goes to the next card. So now you know what the layout is of the card. It does have a lot of information in this book because it's a nice thick handy book. All right, and here is the card. So let's pull them out. I got a little piece of paper here. We'll just rip that off. That's what the back looks like, the green and the gold, the yellow. It's like a yellow, like a mustard yellow. It's very pretty. I like the pattern. And then it's just plain going around, which is nice. And here we go with our first card. So the Oracle, and I apologize right now if I'm saying all the names wrong. So the Oracle of Delphi. I don't know if I said that correctly. So that's card one. So the Akashic Library is card two. There we go. Just put this here to the side. Card three, Archangel Gabriel. Oh, that is beautiful. Uh, and this one is birth. It says Beth, I think. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but that is so pretty. It's it looks like a mom and two kids and a puppy. There's a puppy in there. It's beautiful. And then number five, card five is Halloran. Again, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing these correctly. Number six, the Divine Physician, Fated Meeting. So here we go. And that was card seven. So here is card eight, Archangel Raphael. So, and number nine, Archangel Michael. Beautiful. Number 10, the light of the world. Number 11, the Ark of the Covenant. Let me see. So there you go. Number 12, the scribe. Number 13, the Buddha prepares. Number 14, initiation and the count, Saint Germain. Number 15, the Muse. 16, Caught in the Ruins. 17, the Lookout. 18, Up in the Air. 19, the Reflection. 20, Will, Wisdom, and Mind. Oh, that's interesting. Uriel and the Sphinx. 21. And this one, I think you say Etsum. I'm not sure if I pronounced that properly, but there you go. And that is 22. All right. So that was actually the major arcana. We are now into the minor arcana. So we have one of scrolls is on track. So there you go. We have the two of scrolls, which is two worlds. So I find that fascinating how it says the name on top and then it gives you some more information at the bottom. So the three of scrolls, setting your course. There you go. The four of scrolls, the karmic trench. Five of scrolls, diversity. That is beautiful artwork. Six of scrolls, the sands of time. Seven of scrolls, intricacity. I can't read. Intricacies in industry. I don't know if I said that right. My apologies. There you go. Eight of scrolls, paths unknown. The Queen of Scrolls. Oh, and she's on the cover. That is just so magical. The King of Scrolls. There you go. And now we are on the next suit, which is the One of Roses, commitment. Beautiful. The Two of Roses, winged messengers. Oh, it's got the beautiful birds. The Three of Roses, loving elementals. I love the baby. She's so, so cute. And the fairies. Four of Roses, views of the ego. Five of Roses, the garden. Six of Roses, the War of the Roses. Seven of Roses, the journey. Beautiful. Eight of Roses, Shanghai community. I think I said that right. Not sure. The Queen of Roses. The King of Roses. The One of Forces, the Akashic field. The Two of Forces, the Willow. The Three of Forces, the Bird's Nest. Oh, look at the detail. It's like it all comes to life. The Four of Forces, spring and autumn. The Five of Forces, summer and winter. Interesting. The Six of Forces, the waterfall. The Seven of Forces, balance. The Eight of Forces, the lightning bolt. The Queen of Forces. The King of Forces. The Architect. One of Keys. Okay, so we're into a new suit. Two of Keys, the Treasure. Three of Keys, the chess game. Four of Keys, clearing the way. Five of Keys, wishes fulfilled. Six of Keys in Crescent Moon. The Seven of Keys, the Ascent. The Eight of Keys, the Master Artisan. Ooh, beautiful. Look at the detail. And then we have the Queen of Keys and the King of Keys. And there you go. That's a reveal. If you guys are interested, this is what it looks like. It's the Akashic Tarot. So like and follow, subscribe, and take care, everybody.